Tired of boring QR codes? Discover a lifetime QR code goldmine in just 2 minutes. Click the link in the description below for a special lifetime deal that'll save you a fortune. Let's be honest, most QR codes are about as exciting as watching paint dry, aren't they? Plain black squares that do the job but don't exactly scream professional brand. That's where ElkQR comes in. It's not just another QR code generator, it's a complete QR powerhouse. So what makes ElkQR worth your time? For starters, you can create both dynamic and static QR codes with proper branding. Logos, custom colors, shapes, templates, the works. It connects with over 100 apps for deep linking, lets you generate codes in bulk from spreadsheets, and gives you real-time analytics to see exactly who's scanning what and when. Need security? You've got password protection, two-factor authentication, and GDPR compliance. Working with a team, share workspaces, manage folders, and collaborate without stepping on each other's toes. Now let's talk money, because that's why you're really here, isn't it? Most QR platforms charge you monthly subscriptions that add up faster than takeaway coffees. But with ElkQR's AppSumo deal, you pay once and get lifetime access. No more monthly fees draining your account. You can stack up to 3 codes for even more features, and there's a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not chuffed with it. Compare that to competitors who'll have you paying every month until the end of time for fewer features. So don't faff about with basic QR codes anymore. Click the link in the description for your exclusive lifetime deal on ElkQR. Your future self will thank you when you're still using it years from now without paying another penny.